Hello students, in the last class, in this chapter playing with numbers, we have discussed about various interesting facts about the numbers, how to write the generalized form of a number, and we have also looked at alpha numerals. In this class, we will discuss about divisibility. What is divisibility? Divisibility means to know if a number is divisible by another number or not. Let me take an example and explain you. A number, for example, 72 is divisible by 4. How can we say that this number 72 is divisible by 4? In your previous classes also, you have learned about division, where you were given a number and you were asked to divide it by other number. In those examples, you always got the remainder 0, right? But here we will study, we will look at some examples where the remainder will not be 0. Let's take this division. 72 divided by 4. Okay. How to divide this? How to do this? 4 ones are 4 minus. This is 3. Now take this cube down here because 3 is not divisible by 4. Now 4 8s are 32. Now the remainder is 0. As we all know, this is dividend, this is divisor, this is quotient, and this is remainder. If a number, when divided by another number, and we get the remainder 0, then this number is called divisible by this number. That is, a number, suppose D is said to be divisible by A if when we divide this number by this and we get a remainder 0. Okay? And what if we don't get the remainder 0? Then we will say that this number is not divisible by this number. Let me take an example. For example, I can say that 86 is not divisible by 4. How? Let me check this. 4 and 86. Okay? So let's divide this 86 by 4 and what will we get? 4 2s are 8. This is 0. 0. We cannot divide it by 4, so we will take 6. Down here. Now 4 ones are 4. See, there is no other number to take down and divide it by 4, and we are left with 2 here. That is, we have got a remainder which is not equal to 0. That is, we have got a non-zero remainder. So we call this number 86 is not divisible by 4. Okay? So how to conclude this? A number is said to be divisible by another number if the remainder of their division is 0. And if we get some non-zero remainder, then the number is said to be non-divisible by the other number given. Okay? Now, let's look at the divisibility rule. check with the divisibility rule. Okay. Suppose if I give you a number A and I want you to divide it by 2. Okay. You can say that this number is divisible by 2 only if you get a non-zero remainder, and if you get you can say that if A is divisible by 2 if you get a zero remainder, and if you get a non-zero remainder then it is not divisible by 2. Okay, and how to know which number is divisible by 2 and which is not? Okay, for that there is a divisibility rule for this number 2. Any number which is divisible by 2 is a even number, or conversely what we can say that only even numbers are divisible by 2, odd numbers are not. For example, as we all know, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, these are odd numbers, and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. and so on. These are even numbers. Now let's try dividing each number by 2. 1, is it divisible by 2? No, because it is less than 2. Let us try with 3. 2 ones are 2. This is 1. This is a non-zero remainder. This is a non-zero remainder. So 3 is not divisible by 2. Now let's take 7. 2 3s are 6. This is 1. This is also a non-zero remainder. So 7 is also not divisible by 2. Okay. The same way, if we take any example from these numbers, then they are divisible by 2. Let's try it out. 8, 2. 2 4s are 8, and remainder is 0. See, we got a 0 remainder. That is why 8 is divisible by 2. Okay, so what is the divisibility rule for 2? Any number which is even is divisible by 2. If a number is odd, it is not divisible by 2. Let me take a greater number and try the division. 371 divided by 2. 371 is a odd number, right? So let's take it. 2 ones are 2. 1. 1 is not divisible by 2, so I will take 7 down. 2 8s are 16. 1, again 1 is not divisible by 2. I'll take 1. 2 5s are 10. See, we are left with a non-zero remainder. So this number, which is odd, is not divisible by 2. Now there are different divisibility rules for number 4, number 3, number 6, 9, like that. Okay, let's check each of these divisibility rules. Now let's check for divisibility test for number 4. Okay, divisibility test for 4. What is the divisibility test for 4? There are two tests. One is to check if the last digit is even or odd, and the second step is to check if the last two numbers are divisible by 4. If the last two numbers are divisible by 4 and if the last digit is even, then ultimately that number is said to be divisible by 4. Let me take an example and try it out divided with 4. 3, 4, 2, 8. According to the tests given or known to us, what we will check? To check if the last number is even. Yes, 8 is even. And to check if the last two digits are divisible by 4. Now check. 28 divided by 4. 4 sevens are 28. Remainder is 0. Remainder is 0 means 28 is divisible by 4. That is, last two digits are divisible by 4, which means this whole number is also divisible by 4. Let us check it out. 4. 4 8s are 32. Okay, because 3 is not divisible by 4, so I have taken the two digits. 4 8s are 32, and 2 is remaining. 2 is not divisible by 4, so I will take this 2 down here. So now 4 5s are 20.